Hey, this is Molly from Just a Little Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of glittery dangle earrings using a brand new product from DecoArt called Galaxy Glitter. This is a great jewelry making project for beginners. Pairing Milky Way blue glitter with Calypso blue base coat, champagne stardust with oyster beige, and ultraviolet with purple pizzazz ensures that the specially formulated glitter paint will be bold and vibrant. You'll want a design idea in mind before you begin painting. For this pair, I wanted clean, simple lines. I used Calypso blue and a liner brush to paint a half circle on the bottom of the earrings. The earrings themselves are a natural wood dangle pendant I found on Etsy, but you can get them a lot of places online. So you want to let your base coat dry completely and follow up with the Galaxy Glitter afterwards as a top coat. You can do several layers of the glitter if you want, just make sure to let each layer dry completely between coats. I decided that I wanted this pair to have just a little bit more detail, so after the blue was dry, I added a line of gray sky as a base coat and silver moon glitter to the top. Finally, I inserted the wires to the hole at the top of the wood pendants. I like this style of ear wire because they can be cut down and bent to whatever length you want them to dangle. I made two other pairs of earrings using the Galaxy Glitter, one with gold using the champagne stardust and another with red nebula, which is actually really pretty magenta, and I lined it with the ultraviolet purple. Using Galaxy Glitter, you can create several variants of these simple designs, including blending colors for an ombre effect. You can find the printable instructions for this project at justalittlecreativity.com, as well as even more fun crafts and home decor ideas. Hope to see you there!